Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. And this video, this is part 1 of making a clicker game in Scratch. So let's get started. So I'm going to make a Goba clicker. Okay, I'm going to delete the Scratch cat, and I'm going to search the Goba in the Scratch gallery. Okay, and so there it is. I'm going to delete the other Gobas. So Goba. So let's get started. So um, first obviously make your spread of the clicker that will be clicked. And if I clicked, point in direction 90. Okay. Forever. Repeat 10 times. Turn right. Okay. I'm making a variable called. Wait, first let's delete my variable. So G for this spread only. So turn, I go to the operator, so grab the apps, so cost of G. Okay, so there is a spinning. That's good. Okay, and now change G by 10. Let's make a new variable called Goba. Well, you can make the variable depending on the name of your character. In my case, it's Goba. So for all sprites, now I'm going to click set G to 0 and set Goba to 0. Forever, change Y by so duplicate this, but the yet remove it, but don't delete it. So cos of a times G times 2. Set the project G. Okay, it's a very good effect. Look at Goba, that's my character in my case. It's very nice looking. Now let's continue coloring. So go to the costumes and make it a smaller like that and snap it right to the center. There is a good. Save the project. And now we're going to click set brightness effect to 0. OK. And set size to 600. OK. Forever. put two ifs. In the first if touch mouse pointer, and in the second if mouse down. Change Goba, that's my variable of my character. So let's put a 1, sorry, a plus. So 1 plus, and all of the things that we're going to put in the shop. So let's put another plus on another one. Okay, so I'm going to put scratch characters. So let's make new variables of them. So all of the variables are going to be for all sprites. In my case, I'm going to put a scratch cat for all sprites, Theta for all sprites, but let's see more. Giga, Pico, okay. And Nano, okay, and Apone. So Theta, Giga, Nano, and Pico. And Naponi. Okay, so that are going to be, in my case, the things that I'm going to put in the shop. So, file the variables, and so 1 plus, and of them, so Giga, go now. So Giga, Nano, Naponi. So let's put, wait, how many rows more? 1, 2, 3. So 2 more. Okay. So there's Naponi, Pico, Scratch Cat, and Theta. Okay. And now we have this sound here. Okay, so let's put glug. Just have a glug. So this one. When we click it, so star sound glug. Oh wait, it's giant. So star sound glug. Change size by 50. Okay, set brightness effect to 10. Okay, wait until not mouse down. Okay, and now finally set brightness effect to 0. And change size by -50. Okay, I'm gonna feel clicked forever. Wait 1 second. And change Goba to sorry bye. Wait a minute guys. Um wait. I need to do something. So for now guys, bye bye and see you in the next tutorial.